Hey, what's going on, guys? Mr. Weedle Hack here, back with, now I'm joking, I'm a scam fam. I ain't Mr. Weedle Hack.
Oh, okay. Today we're going to be unboxing the Lenovo IdeaPad S540-15IML. In my life, whatever it means. Okay, so it comes in a pretty black, just a regular cardboard box. Very plain. What was the price on this one?
The price was £44.99 including VAT, and this was purchased from eBuyer. The link will be put for you in the description.
So this was very cheap.
Yeah, help yourself.
It's very discounted at the moment. So we bought all of them. Okay. Right, so let's go ahead and open this.
So obviously, everyone has normal scissors. Mine's
I think the retail value on this is like 300 and something, isn't it?
It's what?
It's like 300 or something, isn't it?
So you tell me I paid more for it?
No, you just said you paid 45 quid.
Oh yeah. Why the fuck is it not opening? Oh sorry, PG. We want to get monetized here.
Okay. Immi.
Bro, we're gonna get copyright this thing up.
Inshallah. Okay, we are almost there.
No, we're not.
We're having trouble cutting this paper. There you go. Alright, put it flat.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Like this. And then.
Are you ready, guys? We're gonna pull this shit out.
There you go. Oh yeah. Sorry, move that.
You ready? Got it? Nothing else in there, is there?
Is that it?
So the charges
Bro,
will be in there.
scammed.
What do you mean? You paid 40 quid? Oh, that's quite heavy. For the size, yeah.
Oh yeah. That's actually really heavy.
Yeah, but it's thin in it. Here's the thing. We'll see.
It's
No, it's
quite
alright.
heavy.
It's alright.
It's heavy.
Yeah, no. Boy, it's powerful, isn't it? So we'll go through the specs quickly for you. Let's have a look. Okay. So these are the specs. It's got an i3 1011OU, which is the 10th gen one. It's the latest gen they have. It's very powerful. 2.1 gigahertz base clock. It's a quad core. Oh no, dual core, innit?
Dual core, yes.
Yeah, it's a dual core, but it's got a turbo boost of 4.5 gigahertz. So what we're going to do is going to use throttle stop to keep it at 4.5 gigahertz all the time. So it'll be really fast. It's got 4 gigs of RAM, which we're going to upgrade to 8 gigs soon. 256 gigabyte SSD, which we don't plan to change because we don't need it. That'll be plenty for what the use is. It's a 15.6 inch full HD IPS. It's 4-cell battery, Windows 10 Home. And yeah, let's go ahead and have a look at this. Alright, so what you're getting in the box is this charger. Just a tiny charger, which is quite good. And some manuals. Warranty probably.
Oh yeah.
So
Safety.
3-pin, U-pin. Okay, let's see.
Safety
65 watt battery power, which is that's decent. Not bad. Right, let's open this laptop.
Oh yeah, my Ben Sherman watch as well. Say no in. Stay easy.
Inshallah, but
You know how it is.
okay.
Yeah, say it is
It's quite a nice
small.
design.
Say it's quite small, it is a bit.
It is heavy, but
Yeah.
it's very nice design.
It's decent.
It's got like a brush metal finish, so that's quite nice. Let's have a look at the sides. Yeah, it's the metal that makes heavy. 100%. Okay, so this is definitely gonna catch fingerprints, just how I just showed you there.
Yeah.
Can you see?
Easy.
Because it's cold metal and you got. Oh, I like it. It's very thin actually. Okay, so you got SD card reader, you got your power on button and your charging button. Super speed, which is USB 3.0, but they've not colored it blue. It's just to match the color scheme of this. This is also USB 3, so they only have two USB 3 ports. Okay, so there's no exhaust ports, which is quite weird. So all the heat will come out the bottom. So maybe running it at 4.5 gigahertz might not be an option all the time. Okay, so charger ports on the left, which I don't like, but it might suit him. HDMI port, you got mini USB-C port 3.0 and a headphone jack. So have a look at the bottom. Okay, so bottom pretty plain. So if you are planning to upgrade anything in this laptop, you're gonna have to take apart the whole bottom, which most likely will get rid of your warranty. And it's not even regular screws either, it's just star ones. So T20T whatever it is, a Windows sticker. Let's have a look here. Lenovo IdeaPad. Okay, 20 volts. Alright, I'm gonna look at the keyboard and stuff now. Does it light up? I can't remember.
I
don't know. We'll have a look.
Sure,
Ooh, look at that screen though. It's bezel-less almost. That is a nice screen, guys. Let's have a look here. First boot, so it's telling you to put your charger on. Oh, this got USB charging when it's off as well, so that's pretty good. And it's got true block privacy shutter for the camera, so I think you press this here, yeah. So you can turn this, you can move this left and right to open and close the shutter.
I'm actually gonna need to, shut the camera sometime.
There you go. Closes it. So if perverts are staring at you, you know how to cover it.
FBI. Hey,
oh, that is nice. i3 10th gen. I don't get who the hell put these stickers on. They don't put them on straight.
Yeah.
It's doing it with my laptop as well. Okay, near borderless bezel. So this is a very beautiful laptop. Metal body, which is quite good, but if it's hot, it's not going to be good. It's going to transfer all the heat onto you. Beyond expected performance. We will see about that. And you got fingerprint readers.
Is that what it is? Fingerprint? Yeah. Mad.
I used to have one on the Dell, but that was shit. Oh, look at that. It's like beveled, so you can feel it in the dock.
That's it.
Oh, look at that. Even the shift key is like that. Honestly. I like it.
Mad.
And it has no graphics card on board because it's just a basic laptop. But it should be able to run quite a decent amount of games because Intel High HD graphics is pretty powerful at the moment. In the newer gen stuff. You could probably run GT on this with low frames, but yeah. Let's turn, oh no, you need to plug in. We'll do a first boot up quickly. Need to plug in, Labib. Oh, sorry, sir.
Thank you.
Here you go.